Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to show you guys how we can implement AI in Canva. Okay, so to do this, we're gonna go to first this apps section. Just go to apps section, and if you don't have an account on Canva, go to canva.com and create an account. Okay, so after you get there, you're just gonna go to the apps section right here, and you'll find this text to image feature here. Okay, so we're gonna click on generate images, and we're going to click on use in new design. All right, so we're gonna create a new design and click on custom size. So we're gonna adjust the width of this is 2500, and the height is going to be 3500. That's 3500 pixels, and we're going to click on create new design. So once we get the canvas, you can see this is the canvas right here, and we're going to add more we're going to add some instructions here that are going to be useful. Okay, so the instructions, I'm going to create an anime character which is going to be wearing a suit. Okay, a black suit. So I'm just going to type in anime guy wearing let's make it a blue suit. Okay, navy blue suit, and we're going to also add transparent, white background. All right, so now we're going to, so after that we're going to generate the image. Let's see, and remember to keep it at portrait. Okay, so keep this in portrait, and then we're going to create our image. All right, so it's gonna take a little while because they are generating an image. Okay, so we got our anime character here who is wearing a suit, a navy blue suit. Okay, so you can see that this is the character. So now what you're going to do here is you're going to click on any image that you want, and you're going to resize it. All right, so we're going to just resize it however we want it to be. All right, so once it's resized, you can see this is the character that we created. All right, so now what you're going to do here is you're going to download this image. Click on download and keep the image twice as its size. Okay, if you have the full version of Canva, you can just change the size, but if you don't, no problem, you can just be sure to just keep it in PNG format. Okay, and then click on download. Save, and now you can see that we have our image created perfectly. Okay, so that's how you basically create an AI image using Canva. Okay, it's very useful. You guys should surely try it, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. I will see you in the next video. All right.